A deadly crash in a highway construction zone. 2 people, including a worker, killed by the impact. Another worker narrowly survives. That man's family speaking exclusively with 12 News' Emily Pofall.
I think the hardest part is the fact that he never lost consciousness. He was awake. He remembers everything other than trying to gather his breath. He remembers being under the truck as it drove over him.
Standing outside their home in Muskego, family of 47-year-old Kyle Perkins braced themselves for a long road to recovery.
His legs basically just got to be rebuilt.
Perkins was working construction along Capitol Drive near Pewaukee Road last Wednesday when deputies say a truck hit 2 construction workers.
They didn't even have much time to react.
Deputies arrested 49-year-old Jade Moen for the crash.
Moen claims he was having a seizure and blacked out when he drove through the construction zone here on Capitol Drive, hitting and killing a 76-year-old woman and then running over Perkins and his co-worker.
Perkins' co-worker and friend, Prisciliano Alvarez Gonzalez, did not survive.
He struggles with the fact that he believes Nano, his co-worker friend, had passed, saved his life. Nano was hit first and maybe 3-4 feet in front of him and hit into him. And he thinks that little bit of cushion has basically saved him from being another death.
According to loved ones, doctors say Perkins will likely never run or jump again.
How are his spirits right now?
In the back of my mind, I know it's bothering him because of how active he is and everything he's done.
It's an uncertain future. They're preparing for years of rehab that he won't face alone.
He's got one hell of a road to recovery, and it's going to be hard.
In Pewaukee, Emily Pofall, WISN 12 News.
Moen is facing multiple charges, including 2 counts of first-degree reckless homicide. Perkins' family is fundraising to help with medical costs. We'll have the information in this story on WISN.com.